Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to dive into a simple C# program that demonstrates the use of LINQ, which stands for Language Integrated Query. LINQ is a powerful feature in C# that allows us to write expressive and readable code to query collections of data. So, let's go through this code step by step to understand how LINQ works. First, let's start by looking at the sample data we are working with. In our main method, we create a list of student objects. Each student has an ID, a name, an age, and a grade. Let's quickly review the data we have. Alice, age 20, grade 85. Bob, age 22, grade 90, etc. Let's start with our first example. We want to find all students who have a grade greater than 80. We can use a basic LINQ query to filter this data. Here's the code. This LINQ query is very readable. It says, from each student in the students list, where the student's grade is greater than 80, select that student. The result is stored in high scores. Then, we print out each student's name and grade using a for each loop. You can see the output here. Next, we will look at sorting the students by their age. This time, we'll use LINQ's method syntax instead of the query syntax. Order B is a LINQ method that sorts the students by their age property in ascending order. We then convert the result to a list using toList. Let's print out the sorted list. The output shows the students sorted from youngest to oldest. As you can see, the query correctly filters out the students based on the condition we provided. Now, let's say we only want to get a list of student names, without any other information. We can use a LINQ projection for this. Select is a LINQ method that projects each element of a collection into a new form. Here, we are projecting the name property of each student into a new list. The result will be a list of strings containing just the names. Here's what it looks like. This demonstrates how easy it is to extract specific properties from a collection using LINQ. Grouping is another powerful feature of LINQ. Suppose we want to group students by their age. Here's how we can do that. Group B is a LINQ method that groups elements that share a common key. In this case, the key is the age property. We then loop through each group and print the students within each age group. The output is, as you can see, students are grouped by age, and we can easily iterate over each group. Finally, let's look at a more complex example joining to different collections. In addition to our list of students, we also have a list of courses. Each course is associated with a student by their studented. Here's the data. Alice is enrolled in math. Bob is enrolled in science. Charlie is enrolled in history. David is enrolled in math. We want to find out which students are enrolled in which courses. We use a LINQ join to achieve this. This query joins the students list with the courses list based on matching student IDs. The result is a list of anonymous objects containing the student's name and the course name. The output looks like this. This is a great example of how LINQ can simplify complex data manipulations, like joins, that are typically associated with SQL. And that's a wrap. In this video, we covered several examples of LINQ queries in C#. We started with basic filtering, moved on to sorting, projections, grouping, and even joining multiple datasets. LINQ is a powerful tool in C# that allows you to write expressive and concise code. I hope this tutorial helps you understand how to use LINQ in your own projects. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.